Hey, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. I just wanted to show you guys a real quick video of my current skincare and everything I've been enjoying. If you're new here, once again, I am Chanel. If you like this type of content or reviews on different products or even makeup tutorials, just go ahead and consider subscribing. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Let me know down below if you tried any of these products that you currently see me using, and I will come and talk to you guys again soon. Bye.